When companies say their product kills 99.99% of germs, what do they really mean? These numbers come from log reductions, which are a scientific way to measure how much a process reduces contaminants. It's measured in factors of 10, with each log representing a tenfold decrease in contaminant levels. The higher the log reduction, the better the process sounds. But here's what they don't tell you. Many of these numbers are coming from controlled lab tests on clean, flat, non-porous surfaces, not the messy, irregular ones that you're dealing with daily. So without knowing the conditions of the study, it's hard to know if this product will really work for you. Also, not all microbes react the same way. A disinfectant may achieve a high log reduction on one strain of bacteria, but be less effective against others. Also, exposure time matters. Some pathogens only take 5 minutes to be inactivated, but others can take 15 or 30 minutes or even longer. Some companies will just take that 5-minute claim and run with it. So what happens if you only have 5 minutes to disinfect a room, but you're dealing with pathogens that take those 15 or 30 minutes to be inactivated? If a product isn't practical for you, does it really work? The same applies to UVC disinfection. A product might show a high log reduction in that controlled lab setting, but real-world conditions can change the outcome. UVC light is a great tool for inactivating pathogens, but its effectiveness depends on several key factors. Distance is one of them. UVC loses intensity the further away it gets from the light source. A 6 log reduction claim might be very true at a very close distance to the source, but if a company doesn't specify that, then customers are going to assume they can get that result from any distance, when in reality, effectiveness decreases. Additionally, you have to consider time. Some marketing claims will suggest instant UVC disinfection, but microbes need a specific dose over time to be inactivated. So if a company is not telling you how long it took to get that log reduction, it probably took a lot longer than you think. So before trusting any company claiming a 6 log reduction or a 99.999% reduction, ask yourself a couple questions. Under what conditions did they get these numbers? Does this apply to all pathogens or just one strain that they tested? And would these results hold true on the types of surfaces and in the environments where you actually plan to use the product? High log reduction claims definitely sound impressive, but without context, they can be very misleading. So make sure to always look beyond the numbers and always be asking questions.